Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only Peter Chou.
So, you just got a glimpse of some of my personal experiences that represent who I am. You each have your own memories, interests, and relationships that define who you are. These memories are key to who we are as people and how we chronicle our lives. With HTC One, we are introducing ImageSense technology. ImageSense is a suite of innovative camera features that set HTC One apart from other phones. ImageSense improves every part of the camera: the lens, the sensor, software, UI. We even make custom silicon. It all works together to give you a perfect shot every time. Let me take a moment to point out Sense4's new UI. One thing we found was some people still don't know their phone can shoot video. Or they don't know they have to go switch mode. So now the photo and video capture buttons are both right there. Shoot photo, shoot video, don't think about it. Just do it. It's simple. You know, life often moves faster than your camera can keep up. We all have that experience where something great happened. By the time your camera is ready, you have missed the moment. For HTC One, ImageSense dramatically cut down the time to your first shot. Now the startup time is amazing. We insist on making it happen in just 0.7 seconds, because that's the average time it takes a person to react to something they see. Let's see how fast it is. I need your attention because it's very fast. You will not notice that. See how much faster it is. With ImageSense, we have invested a lot to make autofocus super fast in just 0.2 seconds. It is literally faster than a blink of an eye. Its camera, it works at the speed of light. This super fast, continuous focus will let you do some other really cool things. Now, you get a much better burst mode to enable continuous shooting. Just press and hold shutter buttons, and the camera will keep taking pictures until you let go. This super fast, continuous shooting in such a short time means you will not miss another shot. You can keep them all or pick one favorite. So when life is happening fast in front of you, you don't have time to go to menu to pick up the burst mode. With HTC One, you just do it. HTC's burst mode is faster, smarter, and intuitive. One of the biggest challenges facing camera phone is that they really struggle in bad condition like low light. But ImageSense helps you to take great pictures even in worse condition. Let me highlight 3 areas: low light, no light, backlight. The best way to deal with low light is to increase the amount of light entering into the camera. That's why HTC One used a best-in-class f2.0 lens. It lets in 44% more light than f2.4 lenses that were used in other high-end smartphones. HTC One sensor also has bigger pixels that collect more light than smaller pixels. These extra light help to reduce blur if you are shooting something moving. Then what about when there's no light? We've seen those pictures ruined by horrible flash. You see those shining bowheads, shining face, and washed out pictures. Horrible. But ImageSense is smart. It gauges how far away the subject is and the ambient light condition, and then it automatically adjusts the flash strength to give you perfect flash every time. Then what about backlight? We all have that experience where there's a bright sunlight behind someone. It's not easy to see a clear face. Well, I have to say I'm really proud that HTC engineer come up with the best HDR solution out there. We have really pushed what is possible for the HDR and image correction technology to give you photos that is so clear. Well, you have to look at for yourself. These are photos we took with an HTC One and another popular smartphone with or without HDR. So these are undoubted photos. You are the judge. It's a huge step for HDR quality. So this is very cool, but we have not done yet. With ImageSense, we have rethought the video experience. Have you ever wanted to shoot video and photo at the same time? I have. One time, I was at my daughter's music recital and I was recording. And I thought it would make great photo. So I want to shoot photos, but I don't want to stop the video because I want to have the full length. Then I have to give my phone to my wife, keep recording, and take out another phone to take photos. And you know I have a lot of phones, right? But other people will be struggling to stop video. But Salesforce camera interface, it has both photo and video buttons right there, give us a way to do both. So now, while you are shooting HD recording, HD video, all you have to do is tap the video buttons and it snaps in high-resolution still pictures. It works the same if you play back the video later. If you find something you want from the video clip, you just tap the photo button, and you get a high-resolution still photos. So you don't have to struggle video, photo. You can both. All these adds up to ImageSense, which make HTC One an amazing camera. The farthest camera, you will not miss any moment. The best picture quality, even in worse condition, and let you do video and photo at the same time. These are photos that were taken this week with HTC One. You can see this amazing quality. It's so sharp, and the colors pop. With HTC One, we have thought camera experience from end to end, not just part of that. We know these are special moments, memory, you will capture with HTC One will take on a lot more meaning if you can keep them and share them with others. Today, I'm happy to announce we are expanding our partnership with Dropbox by integrating Dropbox cloud storage service into Sense 4. If you buy an HTC One, you will get 25 gigabytes of Dropbox storage for 2 years. It's enough to store more than 10,000 very high quality photos, and all for free. HTC One also let you share your photos and videos on a big screen with HTC Media Link plug right into your TV's HDMI port. This is an open approach that works with any HDMI TV. So it does not force you to buy a special TV or lock it into one manufacturer. It's so easy to use. Just use your 3-finger, swipe the screen, and all your photos and video will be on your big screen TV. If you don't want to share it, just 3-finger swipe down the screen. It's so easy to use. Media Link also support dual screen mode and mirror mode, which means if you are watching a TV or if you are watching a movie, you can still use your smartphone, you can still make a call, answer email. This is so awesome that you can take the incredible mobile power to your home, living home, and you can watch HD YouTube content on your big screen TV, and you can get those very innovative application experience on your big TV screen. So we have invested a lot to make HTC One as an amazing camera because of this incredible power of photos. A few days ago, we surprised some actual HTC customer by letting them go hands-on with HTC One flagship. for the first time, where their reaction speaks for itself.
My first cell phone, I waited pretty long to get a cell phone.
I had a flip phone.
I just remember it was a box and it had an antenna.
It was like tiny little phone.
Very, very of the future.
I like the black and the white.
Elegant, like very elegant, minimal, streamlined.
It's very like slim.
The phone itself, very minimalistic. I love that. Oh, it's so light.
It has class and power at the same time.
I really dig this phone. I'm not even
It
lying.
has everything I need.
I'm just surprised at how light it is.